Yeah. Oh, yeah. You were my sun, you were my earth. You didn't know all the ways I loved you. No, no. You took a chance, made other plans, but you didn't think that they would come crashing down. No, you don't have to say what you think. I already know. I found out from him. Now there's just no chance for you and me. There'll never be. Don't make you sad about it. Told me you love me. Why did you leave me all alone? Now you tell me you need me, then you call me on the phone. Girl, I refuse. Must have me confused with some other guy. Bridges were burned. Now it's your turn to cry. Cry me a river. Cry me a river, girl. Cry me a river. Cry me a river, girl. Yeah, yeah. Know that they say that some things are better left unsaid. It wasn't like you only talked to him and you know it. All of these things people told me keep messing with my head. Should've picked honesty, then you may not have blown it. Yeah, you don't have to say what you did. I already know. I found out from him. Now there's just no chance for you and me. There'll never be. Don't it make you sad about it? Told me you love me. Why did you leave me all alone? Now you tell me you need me, then you call me on the phone. Girl, I refuse. Must have me confused. Some other guy. Bridges were burned. Now it's your turn to cry. Cry me a river. You get to bitch tone. Heard you found out what he's doing to you. What you did to me, ain't that the way it goes? When you cheated, girl, my heart bleeding, girl. Some ghost was saying that you let me feel in her. Just a classic case scenario. Tell us all this time, girl, you got what you deserve. And now you want somebody to get alone nights. You wish you had somebody that could come and make it right. But girl, I ain't somebody who wants sympathy.